Got there, lady.
An Impossible empanada, right? It's an empanada. So, impossible meat, meaning it's fake. When I ate meat, empanadas were my favorite. Needs salt, but it's pretty good. The sauce is spicy. I remember these flaky, but they make them by the 100, so you know it's gonna fall apart. It's got a nice little kick at the back, which is surprising for Disney. I don't know, it's pretty good. I'll let my husband try it.
Try this Dippins.
Yeah.
Is this your friend?
Yeah.
Spice should start coming now.
Get so that was
Right?
spice to it. It's not bad. Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's not meat, but it's not bad.